Hey, we're going to make hollandaise now, as promised, on episode 2 of the podcast. We appreciate you being here with us. So, here's what's going down. Chef has a foolproof method to make hollandaise sauce, which can be intimidating, but you swear you taught this to a 17-year-old kid, a friend of your son's, which I respect. It's an on the heat, off the heat method, continue whisking method, and then we're going to break it. And then we're going to fix it.
Yes.
So
that is the thing. Everyone thinks hollandaise is like the toughest thing in the world.
Yes.
It is if you follow these recipes where you put a pot of water on the stove, you put the egg yolks in, and you sit there for hours and whisk it. That's how they make you do it in culinary school also.
Right.
Logic dictates. So we're going to crack our eggs. We're going to separate the white out. We can make meringues or something else. Egg whites later. If your yolks have a little bit of white, that's okay.
Do we need to explain how to separate eggs and yolks?
Sure.
Can we bring it in for a second?
Bring it in for a second. So you've got this egg. It would seemingly be upside down, the small side down. When people tap, 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 and they do that, you're asking for shells. I give it a little shake, narrow side down, once. That's it. Pull the big side off over where you're collecting your whites. Let them drain. Now there's a thing that when I lived overseas, there's a way that some people in this country do it, and I don't care. But boy, did some Euros get very upset with this.
Can you elaborate?
Yes, watch. So tap it open and use your fingers. Oops, I missed.
Oh,
that did not
is that
work.
the problem? So don't do it in the hand.
Don't do it in the head.
Okay.
Watch this though. Take 2. The hand method. Whoops. And then you just let the whites go. I did this once when I was really busy because it's much faster. And you should have seen the look.
Don't do it in Europe.
On the chef, don't do that in Europe.
Okay.
Don't do it really anywhere because it's kind of gross. But now I'm washing my hands again, and let's get down to it. So hollandaise, the recipes will call for a hollandaise reduction. Let's use the big bowl.
Okay.
And I'm using 3 egg yolks. 3 egg yolks.
Am I whisking now?
You're not whisking yet. Nope. And I'll tell you what. I'll do this part, and then you can do the fix it part, or whatever. 3 egg yolks to a half a pound of butter. We're starting there, but you'll get the recipe. Where's the recipe going to be?
It's going to be down in the captions.
That's right. Yeah, hell yes.
Thank you, Chef Dolan.
No problem. So it's about 2 ounces of, instead of a reduction where you cook all these ingredients down for hours, just use a really nice vinegar, like Banyuls vinegar, or if you like sherry vinegar, that's it. Here's what they don't teach you, man. If it's 3 egg yolks to about an ounce or so of that vinegar, I'm throwing in some water because eggs are the hardest thing in the world to cook properly and consistently. You have 2 different proteins, right? You've got the yolk.
How much water?
Probably the same amount as the vinegar. So
we're on the heat now.
We're on the heat. You can do this at home on your grill. You can do it over a burner. And the idea is you're whisking. You're adding water to give yourself time and more even cooking. So you can regulate temperature. And you want to incorporate that air. So a lot of people would start right now. And we haven't even started cooking the egg yolk. But we're doing it in a way where we're incorporating air. And we're using that vinegar and water to fluff it up. You can see it's already doubled in size. We're going back over. There's a way. There's a little pro trick. Just touch the bottom of your bowl. You can touch it, but it's hot. That's good. Around 100 degrees, right? And then back and forth. We want to cook this part until it looks like hollandaise. Okay. Everybody starts now, and the protein hasn't set enough to capture.
By starts now, you mean they've started adding their butter already.
Oh yeah, they start drizzling their melted butter in there.
Way too early.
Way too early. Way too early. And that's why they break it. And there are a couple of different ways to fix it. So when we're done with this, we'll talk about that.
So you're stabilizing the eggs right now.
Basically, in classical French pastry, there's something called sabayon. It's this lovely, lovely thing. This is sabayon. Sabayon we use a sweet wine. It never sees butter, but for sabayon you do this for so long. So you see that now the colors change.
Oh, look at the viscosity.
Oh, Marcus brought us his thesaurus. The colors change, right?
Right.
And the volume's there. It's all fluffy. Right. We're not done. So we're
still
gonna keep going there. Gonna keep that going. And we want to.
Can I touch the bottom real quick?
Yes, please.
I need to get.
It's hot, but it's not like you're not gonna burn yourself, right?
It's comfy.
So check it out. This kind of looks like hollandaise a little bit. A little bit more. Let's get it. Let's dry it. So the water and the vinegar plays the role of the reduction. The water helps us even it out and gives us time so we can incorporate a little bit more air.
Okay. From a scientific aspect, what is the vinegar doing?
Exactly. The vinegar is actually doing the same thing that water is doing, is it's regulating temperature, but it's providing that acidity in the beginning for our seasoning.
Okay.
So for the flavor of this thing.
Kind of like oil when you saute something, it evens out the cooking.
I mean, we can talk about that later, but not even close.
I don't want to
not even close.
I'm not even close.
Marcus, you know, you love to today. He likes to teach me cooking. Now, Marcus, your job.
Me stop talking now.
Half a pound of butter.
Ooh.
3 yolks. We browned our butter. So if you have time and you put your butter on a little over a low heat.
All right.
You let it brown. You don't want to burn it, but if it turns like, it smells like hazelnut. Wait for it. Wait for it. Do what you're told. This is a
like
delicate
Braveheart.
process. Now, ask for help. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. See, I don't trust him, right? I'll take care of the butter. You just watch. You just watch. See what he's doing? So the thing is, if you have someone else hanging out, now we're all fluffy and hollandaisey. Hollandaisey. We just drizzle. Literally just drizzle.
And you know what? All jokes aside, Chef made this point off mic. Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Ask for help.
You know? Might be good for the kids to help out.
Don't use the kids.
I'm good enough to hold the bowl.
He can hold the bowl.
It's the equivalent of holding the flashlight for your
Marcus,
dad.
you see what's happening? You see what's happening here? It still looks like hollandaise.
Yeah.
And we're just going little by little. We have to be patient. This is also how people break it. If the temperature is not hot, it's above warm but not scalding hot. Your butter's warm but not hot. Cold butter will break it. Hot butter will break it.
Now explain what we mean by breaking the sauce.
So you're basically taking things that don't make any sense. You have an egg yolk, which is a protein. You have butter, which has that same fat, or similar protein fat, and then you have milk solids in the form of the milk that's in butter, the water, and air. So you're trying to emulsify these things that are not able to mix or immiscible. So this is a mother sauce. This is one of the bases of, we made vinaigrette once upon a time. It's kind of the same idea, but this is a touch more elaborate. Now, you have your spoon, you want to give this a taste?
Now remember, we're not even on heat right now. We're in a bowl.
We are, but we're testing up. Now we have to go back to the heat.
Yeah, now we got to get a little bit more heat on it.
Yeah, we became a little chatty. Let's have a taste though.
Kind of excited about this.
Get in there. Now it's not seasoned.
I know.
So what we're looking to find out. It is warm in here, isn't it?
We're talking about.
Does it taste like
texture.
butter? Is it too sour? Does it taste? We want to taste the butter or the eggs.
I taste brown butter. I taste citrus. Maybe I want or not citrus, but acid.
Yep.
I want a little more, and it needs salt.
Of course it needs salt.
And
We're not there
it's
yet.
thin.
Okay, let's go. So that's because this emulsified sauce can handle some more butter.
That brown butter is.
It
special.
changes the game. It does change the game.
Now, how do you make brown butter, Chef?
Whole butter.
Yeah.
Put it into a pot.
Yeah.
Melt it down when it starts to bubble and foam.
Yeah.
Just put it on the lowest heat, but watch it because brown butter becomes burnt butter. And
How long do I just until it's done?
I mean, call it about 2 or 3 minutes to melt it at a high heat, and another 5 or 6 on low heat to get the brown butter.
It gives it such a nice caramelized flavor.
It also hazelnuts. That's
Hazelnuts?
Yeah. There's an old classic
That's good.
term about hazelnut butter, and that's it. It's just brown butter.
Brown butter is a special place to be.
That's a good place to be. All right, so we are now there. We're half a pound of butter with 3 yolks.
Okay.
All that liquid. We're thicker. You see that we're a little bit thicker? Mm-hmm. And now we're seasoned. Do you want to taste it again?
I do.
And so applications. We were talking off camera also about people think it's just eggs Benedict.
Right.
Why don't you have a taste?
Oh yeah. You can put this on a lot of stuff. Expand your mind a little bit. Run me down some things you could throw this on, Chef.
Grilled fish. Oysters. Actually, there's a beautiful oyster recipe where you just put that in there and you torch it or you stick them on the grill for a second. Oysters with hollandaise is neat. You ready?
I think the acidity is brilliant. I think it's a little thin.
A little bit.
Needs salt.
Well, I'm salting. I am salting. Taste it again. What do you got?
All right.
And you see how it's thicker? Oh, it's a little thin. You mean the consistency?
Yes.
It's also a bit warm.
Okay. I'm not even being shy about it. Needs more salt.
Let's go. Now, there's a home tip. Some people do not like the fresh cracked pepper in their hollandaise. They use Tabasco because it's a liquid. Actually, it works just fine. Or cayenne, or whatever you like. Let's go. You ready to taste it up?
It's
Awesome.
it's really good though. Like
So we're going a little thinner because
Uh-huh.
our next step. What about that?
More salt. He doesn't trust me. I can see it in his face. He thinks I'm rude.
I would trust you with the lives of my beloved. In the kitchen, we're getting there.
You ready?
Can you pluralize beloveds? Yeah, go for it.
Beloved is not pluralized.
Thank you.
And now, At this point, I would like you to taste it because I still think it's a little light on salt, but I don't want to ruin it.
Again, so what about if where's it going? Is there going to be bacon or ham with our hollandaise?
No. Man.
I mean, with our eggs Benedict?
Yeah.
We're getting there.
You tell me, chef.
So if I'm putting this on eggs Benedict, and there's ham, Canadian bacon, ham, whatever you're doing.
It's gonna be salty.
It's gonna be some salt. So I want to figure out where is it ending up.
That's something to be aware of.
And you said thin, but you're not used to a fluffy hollandaise
I'm
like
not.
this.
I'm used to
You looked at the dense one where you get the
crappy
packet.
hollandaise, apparently.
No, the one with the powder. Yeah, you're right on
Garage
salt.
sale.
Though. And we do want a little bit more butter.
Ooh, I was right on the salt.
You're right on the money. We need pepper.
The
Now-
acidity's there, though, right?
The acidity's there, but now it's going to be muted a little bit. I
Right.
think
So
You
can
see-
I add more vinegar if I feel like it needs it?
I
or-
would add lemon juice. We have some lemon juice if we want to brighten it.
Oh.
So
A
now
different
you
layer,
taste
if
there,
you will.
killer.
All right, hang on.
But I think we're there.
I should stop losing my spoon.
Oh, pepper. We want pepper as well.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Now, there's variations of this sauce. If you want to add tarragon, then you have sauce béarnaise.
Oh,
if you want to add like a
tarragon
little
would be great.
tomato sauce or puree,
Yeah.
you have sauce Chiron.
So now it
you have
needs
mint.
It needs citrus now. And again, just to feel good about it, I'd love for you to taste it.
Okay. Were you emotional right now? That's why you're.
I
If you
think-
need a moment, you might need a moment. Every time.
He's crying.
It's vinegar's acidity. Marcus goes crazy about that stuff. It's
I
very
get real
strange.
emotional around vinegar.
I noticed. All right, so your citrus. Are you okay now?
Yeah.
Do you need a hug?
Will you taste it, please?
I will. You want to taste it also?
I just want to know if I'm like any good at this.
Oh, you know you're good at it. Come on. Get that spoon. Let's go.
All right.
Okay. I mean, that's where I'm going.
I'm taking whole spoons and licking my hand like an
Yes.
absolute, just a
Oh my God, that was
degenerate.
full of it. You mean like as usual? All right, so should we show off?
That's
So,
brilliant.
Fries. By the way, French fries. French fries.
When are you going to let me break it?
We're gonna break it in a second. We're just gonna
All right.
show people what it looks like.
All right, you guys, look at
So
that.
that's a pretty classic color. It's a little lighter, but there's so much air, and it stands up. The fries, the veggies, the grilled fish, the
Just
eggs Benedict. And if you want, you could still you could add more butter. Keep cooking that egg out, and you can make it thicker if you
I
want.
would say the most difficult part about this is the time that it takes. But I would also submit, Your Honor, that if you're watching this video and listening to this podcast, you actually care, and you want to get in on this. So this is perfect.
Let's break it. You want to kill it?
Yeah.
All right, we're
How
gonna
do I
kill it.
break it?
So I'm gonna add someone. So if let's say
Way
you're
too
doing
much
this-
butter, way too fast?
Well, no, let's say not yet. Let's say we're not because we need that butter to fix it.
All right.
So what happens? A way to break it. A lot of people do this is they don't let the eggs cook out long enough. They don't monitor their temperature.
Yeah.
Or then they read somewhere that you can add water if it's breaking to bring it back.
To fix it.
Maybe a
And by
touch.
breaking, it separates. That's what we're talking
It
about.
separates. So the eggs and the butter are gone. But making it too hot's a good way to break it. I can't believe I'm deliberately breaking the hollandaise.
Oh, this hurts his heart so much.
It's so confusing.
Oh, you're going to get disinvited from the next James Beard Awards ceremony just by virtue
I've never been
of
invited.
intentionally breaking a hollandaise.
God, Marcus. what a thoughtless and callous reference.
You have no thought for your feelings right now.
They've never invited me.
You're going to
Marcus.
be okay.
Oh, look. So see what I'm talking about?
Oh, he ruined it.
I'm ruining it. See how
it's awful.
it's separating.
Oh,
It's becoming scrambled eggs. Now
you
it
can
is.
fix that?
We can fix
It
it.
smells terrible.
That's you. It's not this. Check it out. We can fix it. No, it's not
It
fully
smells
broken.
like you burnt scrambled eggs. That's
Well,
what it smells like.
you're smelling the bottom of the pan. You're smelling the burner.
I don't
At home, you
know.
don't smell it. I can tell.
All right, so that's just clumpy and awful.
It's
and
almost totally broken. So scrambled eggs.
15 people are expecting brunch. You're in your kitchen crying. What do we
If
do?
you're having 15 people over for brunch, you've never done this before. There's something fundamentally wrong with you.
Why they're
Do
watching
something
the
else.
video, chef.
So check it out. So it's thickened. It's thickened. In a second, it's just gonna break. And if we leave it out, it's just gonna break.
I can't believe you can fix this.
This is how you fix it. You remember when you and I had that big argument? And
You're gonna have to be more specific.
I was like, do you remember when we had that big argument and we agreed that the only way to fix our problem was to start over?
Yes, this is what we're doing.
Yes. So
I don't know if that was me, to be fair.
it was you. It was you. So I'm starting over. I'm getting rid
Okay,
of.
so we're getting more egg yolks.
I'm starting with. If we had 3 egg
Don't
yolks.
do it in secret. What are you doing over
Well, no,
there?
they know how to do this already. I did that because throwing things on the ground. So we're gonna do 1 egg yolk. So we started with 3. Here's 1 egg yolk, right? Here's that vinegar. That's how we started. I'm gonna go a splash of water.
If this works, I'm gonna be just floored. I don't doubt you, Chef. This is magic, the likes of which I've never seen. I'm a very sheltered boy.
I don't doubt you followed if this works.
When this works.
So I'm using the same whisk, the whole deal. I'm starting the process over, but I'm doing about 1/3 of it.
Sorry, you threw water in there too?
I did.
Okay.
The same vinegar
A
idea.
tablespoon?
At this time, no, it's less than that. At this point, if 1 egg yolk is about 2 ounces, it was like 1/2 ounce of water, 1/2 ounce of vinegar. And I'm going off and on again because now I have a broken hollandaise.
Right.
Not thrilled about it.
No. Smells terrible, looks terrible.
What's the smells terrible thing?
It smells like the wrong person cooked scrambled eggs
If
yesterday.
it smells terrible, then it probably tastes terrible, so we shouldn't use it.
Well, let's see. You said you could fix it. Let's fix it.
We're fixing it. So now, by the way, if you don't have a balloon whisk at home, get one. They're amazing. They save so much time.
It doesn't have to be that size. This is a commercial kitchen.
No, but they make them smaller. But the idea of it being like the shape like a balloon, it's just so much easier to whisk. And if you have one of those things, those electric handheld mixers that have the 2 little whisking things on it.
Does that work?
Oh, hell yeah, it works. Those things are awesome.
All right.
If I use that in here, I think
How long am I whisking that for?
until it fluffs up like the last one. Now we're in trouble because we're like, oh my god, we just broke the hollandaise, yada yada yada.
Now, also keep in mind, he's putting it on the heat, taking it off the heat. Again, we're trying to get it to 100 degrees.
Starting over.
More or less.
But not the whole thing. We can salvage that.
Right.
Some people say add cream or whipped cream. Possibly. Some people say add hot water. Depends. Having a base, a mini hollandaise to work your broken hollandaise. So basically, you're to treat the broken hollandaise as like the same way you were treating butter.
We're trying to get it stabilized to that creaminess that we had earlier before we wrecked everything.
It's that fluffy, homogeneous.
Got it. Okay.
Looking like hollandaise already thing is happening.
Can we have a little how to fix it section in the recipe?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'll give you 3 and pros and cons.
Thank
we'll do
you.
Pros and cons. We've never done pros and cons before. Because we talked to the smack. All right, we're getting there. Now, I'm just gonna leave it there for a second. Marcus has an appointment, so we need to hurry up.
I'm fine. Check's watch.
Are you hot? You're
No.
turning a little red. He's turning red.
I'm good. I'm getting nicely roasted over there.
All right, we made it.
All right,
so check
there
it
it
out.
is.
I'm going into the old one with this,
With the new one.
with the new base, and then I'm taking. You can step aside. You were gonna fix it, but then I'm worried about your health. And then we're gonna go, and we're just gonna start over. So if you see this, see how we were doing it before?
Yeah.
And do you see that it's coming back together?
Yeah.
Do you want to taste it now?
Yeah.
Actually, maybe just a little bit more. So again, we want it to be fluffy, we want it to be thick, we want it, if we're pouring this on our eggs, we want it to just kind of sit on top and maybe cascade a little bit.
Yeah.
I think we're there. Have a little taste, and then we can adjust the seasoning. And you can tell me about that awful smelling thing. It is hot in here, isn't it?
I mean, a touch more seasoning, but that's it.
So what,
I mean,
salt?
you're good.
Salt?
That's good. I would love your
can't really do-
impression of that, honestly, as the resident expert.
Where's my thing? So I'm just happy that this method still works. So it came back. Should we pour it into a bowl?
I could eat that as a soup.
I love hollandaise.
Oh, here comes the money shot.
You know what also is
Get
fun?
ready.
If you like grilled cheese sandwiches.
Face the camera.
No, we're talking to the hollandaise.
Oh,
There we go. It's fluffy, it's light. The first one was a little thicker, but this one is still holding. And if somebody served me that and I had a little grilled ham and cheese sandwich or a grilled piece of fish or some asparagus.
What do they call it? A croque madame?
The croque madame has another mother sauce, bechamel. That's a cream one. This is not. This is a butter base.
Not the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, they're similar. Anyway, how do we do?
I mean, delicious.
All right. Recipe to follow.
Yeah.
Should we go take a dip in the pool?
Thank you. I'm going to take a dip in this right here.
All right.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
See you next
Take
episode.
it away, Marcus. Go.
Please subscribe. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Okay.